Hello friends, welcome back. This is Parthiban, and in this video I am going to explain you how I made more than 1 lakh rupees profit with a capital of 3 to 5 lakhs in futures trade. It's basically a four trading session last week, and I took couple of trades, one in Bharat Forge and the another one is in Adani Enterprises. Adani Enterprises is basically a swing trade, and Bharat Forge is basically a intraday trade. So I'm going to explain each and everything, and so watch the video till the end so that you will get to know some information how I made money. Okay, the first stock name is Bharat Forge, and by just seeing this chart, you are unable to find out the pattern, but based on my experience, I can easily find out the pattern. And look at this beauty, guys. There is a one, two, three, four rejection at the bottom. Okay, that is a support level, and the top we have one, two, three, and fourth time it's breakout, right? So it's a beautiful triangle pattern, and once there is a breakout from this pattern, I enter quickly and I exited at the top. So why I exited? Because the stock has been trending in last 3 to 4 session, and so I don't want to take risk over here, because what sometimes may happen, the stock may come and touch this trend line, and then it will pump again. So that will happen, right? So that will happen frequently. So that's why I anticipated this retrace, but that was not happened. That's okay. Anyway, within 1 or 2 hours, I made 27K profit in Bharat Forge, and my entry where I entered exactly at this point. So why I enter over here? Because there is no huge wick at the top, and there is no huge wick at the bottom. So this is basically a first 1 hour trading session of 11th October on Monday, right? So Monday market was completely bullish, and so market is bullish, and then pattern is breakout, and the candlesticks is also good. So this is the confluence I looked for, and everything is fine, everything looks great for me. So I took entry, I made profit in intraday of 27K. Let me show you my profit and loss. And this is Bharat Forge, and I took, I think, two lot, I hope, and 27,750 is the profit. And so where is my entry and exit? So 774, one of my entry, and the another one is 776. So took couple of lots and sold 783 and 786 respectively. All right, so this is what happened when you follow the price action, and you can make money quickly from the price action trading. And this is intraday. The another trade is Adani Enterprises. Let me go to Adani Enterprises. Okay, so Adani Enterprises is another beautiful trade, and so this was took, I think, on Tuesday. I took the trade on Tuesday, and I closed my position on 3:30, no, 3:29 or 28 on Thursday, just before a minute of market closing, because Friday is holiday, NSE holiday. So I don't want to take the risk. The candlesticks looks great. Even the stock has moved further up to this level or more than this level. But I don't want to take that risk, because we have 3 days holiday, right? Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So in between these times, anything may happen, some news may come, and so we don't know what will happen, right? So I just want to avoid the risk, because whenever you manage your risk, definitely you will be in profit. I am happy with the profit whatever comes to me already. Okay, so what you could see, if you are a beginner, definitely you will find it difficulties to find the right patterns. But now, uh, just look at this pattern, guys. Just look at this pattern. It's a beautiful triangle pattern. It's a beautiful triangle pattern, guys. And so where I took entry. Okay, so first of all, let me explain you why I selected this stock. First reason is it's a beautiful pattern, and the second reason, the rejection. Look at the rejection. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven time it got rejected at support level, and top we have one. two, three, four, five. Five rejection at resistance level, right? So resistance is nothing but this trend line and support is nothing but this trend line, okay? And now look at this candlesticks movement. So whenever there is a breakout, right? So the candlesticks move like anything, there is a lot of buyers, right? And after that there is a consolidation, and what happened next? Okay, there is a breakout, but this breakout is something different from the previous one, right? The previous one is there is no wick at the bottom and there is no wick at the top level, so we can easily identify that as a breakout from the pattern. But this one is something different. Look at this beauty. It touched this trend line, and then it just there is a small sell off, and then there is a huge wick at the top. Look at this. Look at this wick, and you may see some wick, right? But after this there is some red candle. So you may see after this red candle, you may think like the stock may come down and take support again. But I'm damn sure that the stock may move up from this point, because let me go to 1 hour time frame. This is where we can do a multi-time frame analysis, guys. So what I did, I drew another pattern here. Okay, so this is 1 hour, right? So I drew another pattern here. So 1 hour pattern, something is different from the 1 day pattern. So now look at the difference. We have a huge gap up here, right? So there is a huge gap up. So whenever you draw a pattern in 1 hour and 1 day, there is some little difference. So we need to make sure that both has been broken, and then we took the trade and made money. So, but in this case, I did something different. Let me explain you. Once this is broken, I did not enter because there is a huge wick. Always wait for the candlestick close. It's a 1 hour pattern, so I just waited 1 hour. So I did not enter over here. So what happened? And there is a small red candles, and then stock took support from this level. So what is the support here? Look at this beauty, guys. Look at this beauty. Inside the pattern we have one more pattern, one two three, third time it just took the support as I anticipated. And what happened, I entered at this candle. So why I entered over here? And that's another beauty, right? So inside the pattern we have one more pattern. Look at this. One, two, three, four rejection at the top. So there is a triangle pattern in 1 day, and there is a, triangle pattern within the pattern. So that's the beauty of Adani Enterprises. And once there is a breakout from this candle, from this pattern, I just entered over here on Tuesday, and I closed my position on Thursday at 328 or 29. And overall, I made a profit of 84,000 something. Let me show you 84,050 with one lot of futures. Okay, so overall in this week I made 1,10,000 rupees as a profit, and this stock has a lot of potential to move higher. Because why I'm saying this stock has a lot of potential to move higher, and it has broken from the 1 day pattern, it has broken from the 1 hour pattern, and as well it has closed above this high. Okay, closed above this high, which means that there is a lot of buyers interested on this particular stock. And so Monday, what may happen? It may come like this and it may move, or it may gap up and it may move further. So I said before, I don't want to take risk, weekend risk, so that's why I closed my position. Otherwise I will hold this position. All right, in this I made 84,050 rupees as a profit. So this is how I make money, and I'm not using any indicators, guys, because many people are using indicator scanners to take trades, to take their entries and exits, but I'm not using anything because price action is the key, or is the core for stock market. And if you understand the price action in a right way, and if you are trained by right mentor, definitely you will be in good profit of every month. And so let me show you my profit and loss at the end of the month. And as of now, I'm starting with very good profit. And so once the month closed, definitely I will show you the profit. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you learned something from this video, I hope you you consider to subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.